Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Happy New Year. We just woke up around 10:30 in the morning and naapamidiri. Still lying and thought still wala lang. Currently, naapamidiri sa inbox bed and breakfast, which is a very good makainin ko, very good very good hotel located in a very good location. One thing is they're cheap, wapo po ilang room and ilang staffs is nag-accommodate po. Na siya 24 hours na store sa baba. And ang mga customers, mostly mga wala ko kayo mga puti man, mga foreigners. We just ordered breakfast outside. I mean sa baba, dito sa store nag-mention ako. And we are waiting for it. We are moving out. The reason is one night lang amuang na book. That's all.
A few moments later.
And yes, this is our breakfast. Actually, their food is not bad, I guess. And one thing about being outside is mahal ang mga food, but to them, it is around 80 pesos the corned beef. And this is around 80 pesos for the hotdog with egg. Okay guys, we'll be checking out. It's a good thing nakakita mi og much cheaper na room compared sa mga available din. Good noon, kaya alas 12 na. So, ano ang room karon dito sa Gingging Homes. You can see, sakto lang yun kayo siya compared sa inbox. Mas okay ko sa inbox. But, dito man good is na fully booked na siya. Which is wala naman siya na-book o sakto. Kaya one day lang ang na-book. So, we have to transfer and to look for much more at least cheaper lang na room and doon siya sa beach lang. Mane, ang ato ang room, medyo kahoy lang siya. Mingaw po siguro po guest. And muna ang CR. Air-conditioned room and with two single bed. Pwede siya yung double. So yun guys, and mingaw kay sa gawas kaya mga foreigners na silingan wala diri. And here we are in our balcony. Ata. Bro, we still got love to give. We're young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb and broke. He took me back to just cause you waited for some time. Alona drivers. Yes, finally we are here sa Alona Beach. Iba po man po dahil ilang beach dito sa Bohol. Yan. Dagan po doon nga ligo. Wala di ay. And then kasagaran gihapon mga foreigners na and ISIS. If you eat here, you are going to belong to ISIS. Hello guys, good afternoon. Well, that was some chill, and I just finished taking my bath. Medyo boring ang karang days because wala medyo buhat because holiday po. Wala po kayo nagabiyahe, although pwede mag avail of island hopping, but we didn't want. One thing is na ay ka-abutin ng bagyo or na bagyo, and karon is medyo naman lang din siguro. Anyway, there will be no island hopping na makita po because I've read some review about island hopping dito sa Bohol. Mag-visit lang ko sa Dolphin, which is mo ang highlight, but hindi siya guaranteed makita gid mo yung Dolphin kaya may chance ka hindi sila mag-appear. Another thing is mag-visit ka sa island, Virgin Island pa to, may entrance fee, meron 200 pa for each person, plus kato lang naman highlight sa ilang island hopping, which is I think really interested, so we decided na i-end up na mong stay dito sa Panglao, so we'll be back to Tagbilaran tomorrow for our Tagbilaran Bohol tour. So dito na mo experience ang highlights sa mo ang biyahe. The what do you call that, chocolate hills, the tarsier, yes, more on siya experience. So right now, today I will probably end this vlog. I mean because magpakulay na lang sa me, and we'll just spend the remaining time for this day to edit some videos para may ka-post. That's all guys. Thank you so much. I hope di mo ma-bored sa kaning vlog. Actually medyo bored na rin. But thank you so much guys. I hope you follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe on our YouTube channel.